Cosori coffee mug warmer and mug set premium 24-watt stainless steel, best gift idea, office home use electric cup beverage plate water cocoa milk. An upgraded set, newly released coffee warmer and mug set. After designing one of the best-selling coffee warmers on Amazon for over a year, we're offering even more. Better thermal conductivity, premium quality. Perfect for keeping beverages warm all day. High-tech details, Cosori's stainless steel coffee warmer features touch-tech controls and LED display and a water-resistant plate. Easily switch between degrees Fahrenheit and degrees centigrade. Temperature readings of the warming plate are precise down to 1 degree. User-friendly design makes it easy to use. Matching mug, FDA-approved, and food-grade 304 stainless steel 17 ounces mug is built with a cool touch handle, a silicone slip-resistant sleeve, and a stylish brushed finish. Flat mug bottom makes full contact with the warming plate to keep your coffee cozy. Cosori mugs are available for purchase. Search for C1601cm. Reliable and durable, a high-tech pie film heating element allows the plate to go up to 230 degrees Fahrenheit. Beverage temperatures will range from 77 degrees Fahrenheit to 158 degrees Fahrenheit. Plate and beverage temperatures vary due to thermal balance. High-end stainless steel is durable and long-lasting. Reliable quality, FCC-approved adapter. Compatible with 100V 240V outlets. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.